Hey Justin, this is my cable tester project. I'm going to show you how to make this LED light up. Step 1, introduce project, done. Step 2, I'm going to connect components using alligator clips. Once the circuit is complete, the LED should be lit. And I'm going to do that right now. So I'm starting out, I have my resistors here. I chose a 100, 180, and another 100 resistor, so that we have I couldn't find 370, which is exactly what we needed. I know that because we used Ohm's law. I had to find the resistance. The resistance equals it's resistance equals voltage over impedance. For that, this one equaled 450, and then I had to subtract the 80 ohms of resistance that the LED already had in it. That was 370. Couldn't get that, so 380. I think that'll suffice. Let's go ahead and make this thing here. Connecting. I'm going to start with my resistors here. I have resistor 1, resistor 2, into resistor 3. So this white one here is going to be the beginning of my resistor chain. That's going to hook up to the positive of our battery here. This is going to hook up to this resistor right here. If I can get it to go on. So I now have my battery hooked up. From this end of the resistor going on here, running to the tip of this bad boy. Hopefully it'll stay. So we're running from the tip right here. You can see it. The tip of the cable. We're going to run that to this tip. Over here, the other end of the cable. Just like that. And run that tip to the big part of the cable, the sleeve. And then we're going to run from that sleeve to this sleeve, if it'll stay on. To the LED. Long part's positive. That's the long part. Now we have one more part to do here. We have the negative. So connect the negative on the battery. Then connect that to the LED light. Except I didn't pick a long enough cable. Awesome. And we have light. Yes, when that's not when those aren't touching and making it short circuit. I don't have. I have light. So there's light. Life, death, life, death, life, death. And that's it. Let's trace the signal path now, I believe was the next step. Okay, so, let's see if I can see this. We are going from this black cable, right, coming out of the battery, all the way over to here, to our first resistor. Here, to our second resistor, to the third resistor. And then we're running from that third resistor right here. This is the third resistor. We're running that third resistor onto the end of this sleeve, or on the tip, sorry. And the tip is running to the tip over here. And then from the tip, trace this wire here back to the sleeve. And the sleeve is running through the wire to this sleeve. This sleeve is connecting to the light. And the light runs back in to the battery. And that is the table, or the cable test project. I think that's all I'm supposed to say. Let me check. That is it. It was good enough. And I will upload it to YouTube and or Vimeo. Thank you.